Bonjour la classe, comment allez-vous? Ok, par la grâce de Dieu, moi aussi je vais bien. As you know, we begin with the articles, definite article and indefinite articles. And last week, we did something about how to know the masculine gender. Okay, so today we will continue with the feminine gender. So I put some of the notes on the board so that you copy notes, and this one will help you a lot so that you can write something about the article or whatever this you want to do, and you know that is the feminine gender or masculine gender. Okay, so when you see on the board, they say feminine gender. So some of the nouns in French, they are in feminine gender. How you notice that this type of noun is a feminine gender? Okay, so they say in French nouns ending in E plus double consonant plus E are feminine gender. Example here, when you talk about E plus double consonant plus E, you can see that, I give the example here, either we can see the thing like this, E-L-L-E or E-N-N-E or E-M-M-E or E-S-S-E, and you can see this one to E-R-R-E or T-E-T-T-E. So when you see this type of noun, like the ending is like this, so you know that automatically they are feminine gender. I hope you understand. So, but we have exception. Only one noun, and it follows this particular formula, but it's not a feminine gender, it's a masculine gender. Example here, le squelette, and skeleton in English. Okay, so now let's move to the second one, and the ending in S-S-I-O-N. If we see a noun in French and the ending is S-S-I-O-N, you know that they are feminine gender. Okay, example here we have la passion, passions, la répression, la compression, l'admission. You see, so you can see that the ending is what? S-S-I-O-N, S-S-I-O-N, S-S-I-O-N. So all this one, and we don't have exception for this. All this is the noun like this, the ending is S-S-I-O-N, they are feminine gender. So now let's come to the third one, the ending in T-I-O-N, sion, are feminine gender. Okay, example here, la situation, la question. This one, la situation means what? Situation. La question, question. L'éducation, education. L'opération, operation. La nation, nation. La correction, correction. Okay, all this one you can see that the ending is what? T-I-O-N. So when you see this type of noun, you know that they are feminine gender. But we have exception too for this particular one. Only one exception. We say le bastion, and you can see that bastion is what? You see T-I-O-N, but it's a masculine gender. Okay, let's move to the fourth one. Ending in A-L-E, C-E accent aigu, F-E-N-A-C-E are feminine gender. Okay, example here we have la glace. I just give la glace. Any noun, the ending is what? C-A-L-E or C-E accent aigu or F-E or A-C-E. They are feminine gender. No exception for that. Okay, so let's move to the fifth one. The fifth one is what? The ending is in E-N-C-E. A feminine noun. Okay? We have la patience, la conscience, conscience, la violence, violence. So we have all this one like this, but exception here, we have is le silence. Exception for this one. So silence, it ends with what? E-N-C-E, but it's a masculine gender. We say le silence. Let's move to the next one. So ending in A-N-C-E. This one too, they are feminine gender. Example, la croissance, growth, l'enfance, la vacance. Okay? So when you see this one like this one too, we don't have exception for this particular one. The ending in A-N-C-E. So let's move to the gene. The ending in B-E are feminine gender. Example, la robe, skirt, lobe. Okay? But we have exception too for that. Exception is what? Le cube, un microbe, un verbe. You see the three. Le cube, un microbe, un verbe, le verbe. So all this one, the three, they are exception, and they didn't follow the formula for this particular the ending BE. So the 3, 1, 2, 3, they are masculine gender. Okay, so now let's go to the H. Ending in T, E accent aigu, T, E accent aigu are feminine nouns. So let's come to the example, la beauté, la sécurité. Okay, so now we have exception too, and we have l'été. This one is one of this is the season, but this été we don't have it in Africa, especially Ghana. We don't have it. The only thing we have in Ghana here is maybe rainy season and dry season. Okay, so l'été is what? Summer. Okay, le côté, side, le pâté. Now let's move to this is the I. They say ending in ade, A-D-E, are feminine. So example, la promenade, the walk. La limonade. You see that all this one, the ending is A-D-E. A-D-E. Okay, so but we have exception here. Exception is what? Le grade, le jade, le stade. So you can see that the ending is ad, but these three nouns, they are masculine gender. So now we have another one ending in E accent aigu E. Example, la chaussée, the road. La bouchée. So we have another exception to le musée, the museum. Le lycée and le pygmée. You can see that as for the exception here too, they are three nouns. 1, 2, and 3. So you're supposed to memorize the exception very well, so that in case when you face those kind of problems, you know that, oh, okay, this one is the masculine gender or feminine gender. Okay, the ending in E-R-I-E. So we have la gendarmerie, the police station. Before we have la librairie. But we don't have exception too for that particular side. So now let's go to the ending in E-R-E. But we say that we say accent grave. E accent grave R-E. Example, la manière, la boulangère. Okay? And we have exception here, le frère, brother, l'arrière, like back, behind, l'arrière, behind. Okay, le cimetière, cemetery, and le père, the father. The four nouns, they are masculine gender. So le frère, l'arrière, le cimetière, et le père. Okay. So we have another one again, the ending in I-Q-U-E, E-Q-U-E, Example, la boutique, la musique, la bibliothèque. The ending is what? I-Q-U-E. I-Q-U-E. And you see that they are feminine gender. But we have two nouns, and we have exception for that, and they are masculine gender. Le plastique. It ends with I-Q-U-E, but they are masculine gender. Le moustique, mosquito. Okay, so now let's come to the ending in I-N-E. Example, la cousine. La cousine, feminine. Cousin, feminine. La poitrine, chest. So you can see that any noun ending with I-N-E, they are feminine gender. But we have exception for that. Only one noun. So le magazine is only le magazine is a masculine noun. Now let's come to the ending in I-S-E. I-S-E. Example, la surprise, la mise, la chemise. All this one, any noun you see in French and the ending is I-S-E, they are feminine gender. This one, we don't have exception for that. Okay, so now we have another one again, and the ending in U-R-E. Example, la chaussure, shoe. La blessure, this one is sore. La blessure is sore. So we have only one noun, and it's an exception for that. Le murmure. Okay, so the last one here, the ending in R-I-C-E. R-I-C-E. Example, la directrice, headmistress. L'actrice, actress. So if you see a noun like this, the ending is R-I-C-E. Somebody will say that's rice, but it's not rice. Okay? So all the ending is like this, you know that is a feminine noun. But we have exception too. Only le dentifrice. Le dentifrice is toothpaste. Toothpaste, we call it in French, le dentifrice. So only this one is a masculine noun. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. And the only thing you do, you're supposed to do the revision for, you put this in the exams, the monthly exams, and to see whether you can do well. I hope all the things that I give to you, the lesson, masculine gender and the feminine gender, I hope you can do better. See you next time. Bye-bye.